In the crowded world of kitchen appliances, this Magic Bullet Combo Blender stands out as a versatile and powerful tool, designed to make your blending tasks effortless and efficient. With its robust 600-watt motor and innovative design, this blender promises to deliver a blend of convenience, performance, and versatility. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a salsa lover, or someone who needs a reliable blender for everyday use, the Magic Bullet Combo Blender could be your new go-to appliance. When you first set eyes on the Magic Bullet Combo Blender, you'll immediately notice its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Blender comes with a 600-watt power base, a heavy-duty 48-ounce pitcher, personal blending cup, and various accessories designed to enhance your blending experience. The heart of the Magic Bullet Combo Blender is its powerful 600-watt motor. This is the most powerful motor in the Magic Bullet line, and it's designed to tackle a wide range of blending tasks. Whether you're looking to crush ice for smoothies, blend tough vegetables into soups, or emulsify ingredients for sauces, this blender delivers consistent performance. The motor provides ample power for both high-speed blending and precision tasks. The variable speed dial allows you to choose between high, low, or pulse setting, giving you control over the texture of your blends. This feature is particularly useful when you want to achieve the perfect consistency for smoothies, salsas, or even chunky dips. The Magic Bullet Combo Blender is built with durability in mind. 48-ounce pitcher is made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic that can withstand high-speed blending and extreme temperature. The pitcher's heavy-duty lid comes with a removable cap, allowing you to easily add ingredients while blending or vent hot liquid. Personal blending cup is a great addition for those who prefer single-serve options. It attaches directly to the power base, making it convenient for on-the-go smoothies and shakes. The included to-go lid is perfect for taking your beverages with you, whether you're heading to work, gym, or simply running errands. One of the standout features of the Magic Bullet Combo Blender is its sharp, stainless steel crossblade. This blade is designed to handle tough ingredients with ease, including frozen fruits, vegetables, and ice. The blade twists onto both the full-size pitcher and the single-serve cup, ensuring that you get a smooth, consistent blend every time. The versatility of this blender is truly impressive. It can handle a variety of tasks, from pureeing fruits and vegetables to making chunky salsas and smoothies. The ability to switch between different blending jars and the variable speed options make it easy to achieve the exact consistency you want. Using the Magic Bullet Combo Blender is a breeze. The simple speed dial allows you to adjust the blending speed with just a turn of the knob. The pulse function is especially handy for controlling the blending process and achieving the perfect texture. Cleaning up after use is equally straightforward. The blade assembly and jars are designed for easy cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse it with soap and water, and place the jars on the top rack of your dishwasher. The blender's design ensures that there are no hard-to-reach crevices, making it a low-maintenance addition to your kitchen. The Magic Bullet Combo Blender package includes 600 watts, motor base, the powerful engine behind your blending task, 48-ounce pitcher, ideal for larger batches and family-sized serving. Pitcher lid with removable cap allows for easy addition of ingredients and ventilation. Tall cup, perfect for single-serve blends. To-go lid, for convenient transportation of your beverages. Stainless steel crossblade, handles tough ingredients and ensures smooth blends. User guide helps you get the most out of your blender. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful motor. The 600-watt motor provides robust performance for various blending tasks. Versatility. With multiple blending options and attachments, this blender can handle a wide range of recipes. Convenient design. The personal cup and to-go lid offer added convenience for busy lifestyle. Easy to clean. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and hassle-free. Cons. Noise level. The blender can be somewhat noisy during operation, which may be a consideration if you have young children or early risers in the household. Limited capacity. While the 48-ounce pitcher is suitable for most tasks, those needing larger quantities may find it slightly limiting. Final verdict. The Magic Bullet Combo Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that delivers excellent performance across a range of blending tasks. Its robust motor, combined with a user-friendly design and various attachments, makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing smoothies, soups, salsas, or sauces, this blender offers the power and flexibility to meet your needs. With easy-to-clean components and a design that supports both large and single-serve blends, Magic Bullet Combo Blender is well-suited for both family meals and personal use. If you're in the market for a reliable, multifunctional blender that can handle a variety of tasks, this model is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.